possibly be? Well, there's a principle in nature that almost every creature knows, called survival of the fittest. And check it, this is how it goes. The animal within's got to scratch and bite and claw and bite and punch. The animal doesn't winds up someone else's lunch. I'm just saying, how bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? There's a reason for the business, and everybody knows it's sound. It's just the people with the money. There's every little world go round. So a bigger in my company, a bigger in my factory, a bigger in my corporate side. Everybody out there, take care of yours, and me, I'll take care of mine. Shake that bottle. Can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? I'm just following my destiny. How bad can I be? I'm just doing what comes naturally. How bad can I be? How bad can I possibly be? How bad could I possibly be? Let's see. How bad can this possibly be?
Then the children played the scene of home because